Good morning, guys. I'm Anup, and I'm again here with a new topic. And this topic is based on the kids of animals. As you know, that we all are kids, you all are kids. Okay, so all animals and all creatures have the kids like you. Okay, they all have their kids. So, in today's class, we are going to explore the kids' world of animal kingdom. Okay, what are they called? हम उसके बारे में आज जानेंगे, है ना। आप सब बच्चे हैं, छोटे बच्चे हैं, बहुत ही प्यारे बच्चे हैं। इसी तरीके से दूसरे जानवरों के भी बच्चे होते हैं, है ना। सारे क्रीचर्स के छोटे बच्चे होते हैं। तो आप लोगों को आप लोगों के नाम से बुलाया जाता है ना। किसी का बंटी, किसी का राजू, किसी का सोनू। इन द सेम वे व्हाट वी कॉल देम, ठीक है, उनके भी कुछ नाम हैं। सो वी आर गोइंग टू नो देयर नेम्स, ओके, व्हाट द एनिमल किड्स आर कॉल्ड. So today's class is basically to explore that world, okay. So now I'm going to move forward to the next slide, and we are going to see that what we are going to do ahead. Yes, so let's move to the first slide. Who are they? Yes, can you see this picture? Yeah, who you can see in this picture? आप लोग क्या देख रहे हैं इस पिक्चर में? Yes, you can see in this picture there are 6 children. Yes, they are children like you, है ना। आप लोगों के जैसे ही ये छोटे बच्चे हैं, है ना। तो ये इंसानों के बच्चे हैं, हम सब इंसानों के बच्चे हैं। यस, वी ऑल आर ह्यूमन बींग्स, है ना। तो हम इंसानों के बच्चे हैं, और हम इंसान चूँकि ज़्यादा डेवलप्ड हैं, इंटेलिजेंट हैं, इसलिए हम अपने बच्चों को कुछ नाम देते हैं। यस, जैसे आप सब लोगों के नाम है ना, वैसे ही वी ऑल ह्यूमन बीइंग्स गिव आवर चिल्ड्रन स्पेसिफिक नेम्स। बट एनिमल वर्ल्ड में क्या होता है, व्हाट हैपन्स इन एनिमल वर्ल्ड, दे डोंट हैव देयर लैंग्वेज। यस, दे हैव देयर लैंग्वेज बट दे डोंट स्पीक द लैंग्वेज दैट वी स्पीक। यस, सो वो अपने बच्चों को नाम से नहीं बुलाते, बट हम अपने कन्वीनियंस के लिए, फॉर आर कन्वीनियंस, वी हैव गिवन देम सम नेम्स। हमने उन्हें कुछ नाम दिया हुआ है, ओके। एंड टू नो दोज नेम्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस। यस, इस तरीके से उनका नाम जानना हमारे लिए ज़रूरी है। बिकॉज इफ़ समवन आस्क्स अस अबाउट द नेम्स ऑफ दोज एनिमल्स, हाउ वुड वी से एंड वॉट वुड वी से? So it is very important for us to know their names, for our information, for our knowledge, okay. So as you can see the picture of of children here in this picture, in the same way you are going to see some animals kids or animals children in the next slides, and that we are going to explore. Who are they? Yes, so अब हमें पहचानना है who are they. In this picture you can see there is a horse and a horse kid. In this picture, in the next picture, you can see a hen, and beside the hen, she has her kid. We have a cat here, and with the adult cat, we have her child. Yes, do you know what are they called? What is this called? What is this called? And what is this called? We know these are called horse, hen, and cat. But what are these called? I mean, what are their children called? Do you have any idea? No idea? Okay, we'll explore it in further slides. But let's move to the next slide and see some more animals with their children. Yes, हम इस स्लाइड में देखते हैं कुछ और जानवर और उनके कुछ और बच्चे. Yes, in this picture you can see a lion, a goat, and a cow. And with the lion you can see a lion kid, with the goat you can see a goat kid, and with the cow you can see a cow kid. Do you have any name for them? Do you know? क्या हम लायन के बच्चे को लायन ही कहेंगे, छोटे बच्चे को, कि कुछ और इनके कुछ नाम हैं? डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया? क्या आप लोग को पता है? नो, मे बी few of you would have some idea, but I know that many of you have no any idea that what we call them. Yes, let's see in the next slide and know the next animals. Yes, yes. So in this slide again we have a duck, a dog, and pig and fish. So along with duck we have a duck kid, along with pig we have a pig kid, along with fish we have a fish kid, and along with the dog we have a dog kid. Again we don't have any idea what are their kids called, what are their children called. Yes, do we have some more animals in next slide? No. So now we have seen these animals and their kids. Yes, this horse, cat, hens, children, and then lions, goat and cows kids, and then duck, pig and fish and dogs kid. So we saw different kids of different animals, but we don't have the name for them. So now let's name them, let's know their name, that what they are called. तो चलिए अब हम उनके नामों को जानते हैं कि उन्हें हम बोलते क्या हैं. Yes, so in this picture you can see a horse. Yes, and horse kid is called Fall. Yes, so there is a name. जैसे आपका नाम जैसा कुछ नाम है ना, वैसा ही यहाँ पे घोड़े के बच्चे का भी एक नाम है. Yes, so horse kid is called Fall. F-O-A-L, Fall. Fall. So you have to remember this. Yes, so whenever someone asks you that what is the name of the kid of a horse, you have to say Fall. Fall. Yes. In the next picture we have cow, and cow's kid is called calf. Calf. Yes, you can see this is adult cow and cow's kid is called calf. 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 Yes. In the next slide we have a cat. Cat, and cat's child is called kitten. Yes, so adult is called cat and child is called kitten. 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 Yes. So in the next picture we have hen. Hen, and hen's kid is called chick. Chick. Yes, hen's kid is called chick. तो hen का बच्चा chick कहलाता है. Okay. Now see the next picture. Yeah, in this picture we have a goat. We have a goat, and goat's kid is called lamb. Lamb. See, this small goat is called lamb. Lamb. Yes. Okay, in this picture you can see a orange fish. Yes, so this is fish. And what is the name of fish kid? It's fingerling. Yes, what is the name of the fish? Fish kids? Fingerling. Fingerling. Yes, we also call it fry. Fingerlings. Yes. In the next picture we have lion. अगले पिक्चर में हमारे पास lion है. And what is the name of lion kid? We call it cub. 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 Yes, cub. Cub. Very nice. Now in the next slide we have two pictures. One is duck and its kid. So duck is this, and what is the name of its kid? Duckling. Duckling. Yes, so duck के बच्चे को हम duckling कहते हैं. What we call duckling. Duckling. Yes. Okay, next picture is of a pig. Pig. And what we call the pig's kid? It's piglet. It's piglet. It's piglet. Yes, piglet. In the next slide we have a dog. Dog, and dog's kid is called puppy. You all know this. This is very common, yeah? We call puppy a dog's kid. Yes, the dog's kid is called puppy. कुत्ते के बच्चे को हम puppy कहते हैं. Yes. Now here the deadliest creature. Yes, this is snake. Snake, and snake's kid is called snakelet. 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 Yes, snake's kid is called snakelet. This little one is called snakelet. Yes. Okay guys, so we saw different animals. I am just moving it in fast forward. Yes, let me start it from, and from the beginning and let's have some revision if you have forgotten it. Okay, so this is how this is. Horse kid is called foal, cow's kid is called calf, cat's kid is called kitten, hen's kid is called chick, goat kid is called lamb, fish's kid is called fingerling, lion's kid is called cub, duck's kid is called duckling, pig's kid is called piglet, dog's kid is called puppy, and snake's kid is called snakelet. Snake's kid is called snakelet. Yes. Okay, so you saw these animals and with these animals you saw their kids. So now what we are going to do, we are going to do some assessment and we are going to see what we have learned. Yet, so for this I have designed some activity for you all. So the first activity is, or first task that we are going to do is choose the correct option for given pair. So in this activity you have given pairs. Yes, one is adult animal and its kid. So you have to identify which option is a correct option where the adult animal's name and its kid's name is written. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर दो चित्र दिए हुए हैं, एक बड़े जानवर का और उसके बच्चे का. आप लोगों को इन तीन ऑप्शंस में से करेक्ट ऑप्शन को पहचानना है जो कि हमने आगे सीखा हुआ है. वी हैव लर्नड इट इन आवर प्रीवियस स्लाइड्स दैट किसके बच्चे को क्या कहते हैं. ओके, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट विच ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. आई थिंक यू हैव गॉट इट. Yes, so now let's move to the first picture. So you can see this is horse and we have learned that what we call horse's kid. So first option is horse puppy, horse foal and horse calf. तो क्या horse के बच्चे को puppy बोलते हैं कि foal बोलते हैं कि calf बोलते हैं? So if you can remember that what I have told you, so you would see that its horse kid is called foal. So the option B is correct. Yes, B option is correct. Horse's kids is called foal. Now the second picture. In the second picture we have a cat and what we call cat's kid. So the options are cat's kid is called puppy or cat kid is called foal or cat's kid is called kitten. So let's have a try and test your memory. Yes, cat's kid is called kitten. So option C is correct. Now next, in this slide we have hen and its kid. So the options for this pair is hen duckling, hen chick, hen fry. So if you remember, the option B is correct one. Hen's kid is called chick. Yes. In the next picture we have got lion and its kid. So options are lion snakelet, lion lamb, lion cub. So if you can remember my teaching, you would see that option C is the correct option. Lion's kid is called cub. Yes. तो lion का जो बच्चा है वो cub कहलाता है. Here in this slide we have again two pairs. So first pair is goat and its kid. So the option for this picture or this pair are goat calf, goat का बच्चा calf कहलाता है, कि goat lamb, कि goat का बच्चा lamb कहलाता है, कि goat chick, कि goat का बच्चा chick कहलाता है. So if you remember this, the option B is correct. Yes, goat's kid is called lamb. For the next one, cow, and the options are cow calf, cow piglet, and cow foal. Yes, so the option A is correct for this. Cow's kid is called calf. Calf. Yes. In this slide we have duck and pig. So duck's kid. So the option for duck's kid is duck, duckling, duck, chick, duck, fry. Let's have a try. Yes. So the option A is correct. Duck's kid is called duckling. Yes. For the next picture or next pair, we have pig, puppy, pig, piglet, and pig, cub. Sorry, spelling is wrong there. There is a C-U-B and I've written there C-A-B. So the spelling is wrong there. Don't look it that way. Okay. So it's B. Pig, kid is called piglet. Piglet. Okay. Okay. Now we have the next slide. In this slide we have a fish. And the option for fish and fish's kid are fish, cub, fish, fingerling, and fish. So what is the right option? Let's have a try. So the option B is correct. Fish's child is called fingerling. And next option, next picture is of dog. So what we call dog's kid? So dog, puppy, dog, foal, or dog, lamb. So it's very simple. A option is correct. Dog's kid is called puppy. Yes. Okay. So this way we finished our first activity where we had to choose a correct option given for the pair, yes, of animals and their kids. Okay. So we did that activity very well. And now I've got the second activity or kind of work for you. Okay. And this will be a kind of homework for you. This is not the work that we will do right now here. It is a kind of homework that you have to do after going through this video class. Okay, तो ये आप लोगों के लिए होमवर्क रहेगा जो आप लोग ये सारा जो मैंने वीडियो क्लास बनाया है उसको देखने के बाद आप इसको करेंगे. इसमें करना क्या है? सर्च एंड फाइंड द नेम फॉर यंग वंस ऑफ द गिवन एनिमल्स. यहाँ पर कुछ एनिमल्स के नाम मैंने लिखे हुए हैं. ओके, आई हैव गिवन यू सम animals name in this slide and what you have to do, you have to find out the young ones name. ठीक है, उन्हें आपको इन बच्चों के नाम खोजकर लिखना है और मुझे शेयर करना है. ओके, साथ ही साथ वो सारी एक्टिविटीज़ भी you have to share me in the group. Yes? Okay, so the first animal is tiger, second is bear, third is camel, fourth is monkey, and next is donkey. Yes? So you have to find out the kid's name for this animal. You can ask your parent, you can search in net, you can search it wherever you want. Okay, you can ask anybody, you can search in Google, internet, whatever the source you want to use. Okay, but do find out these their kids name. ठीक है, आप जहाँ से भी खोजें, नेट से, मम्मी पापा से पूछें, भाई बहनों से पूछें, but you have to share me the name of the kids of these given animals. Yes, tiger, bear, camel, monkey, and donkey. Okay guys, so thank you for participating in this class. Because of some network issue I am not able to take your online classes right now. Okay, online live classes. So I am making this video for you all. I hope that it may be beneficial for you all. You have to go through these videos and you have to complete these tasks. Okay, and I would like to request parents too that please do help your children to learn this theme very well or learn these animal kids name very well, and also you have to give them practice more at house. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Okay, I'll be meeting with you with another topic, with another interesting topic in another interesting way. Yes? Okay, bye bye. Good day.